Hey guys, today's video is going to be my September Sephora play on bagging. I just want to say a disclaimer before this video. I had a baby 3 days ago, so if I look a little different, that's why. And I'm currently sick. I think I have a cold, or I'm getting a cold. So yeah, I did want to get this video up for you guys while I am able to. My husband is home from work, and my oldest daughter is sitting in the room with me. Hi, baby. She's sick too. She's got a cold, and I think she gave it to me. Right? I've got a runny nose. Yeah. Oh, baby. Do you want to be on camera?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. She looks a little sick, huh? Huh. You got paint.
That brown. Is this bleeds?
That's brown, huh? You can hear her stuffy nose. You can go down there and play while Mama does this video? Okay, thank you. I wanted to make this video while I have time to. My husband is home. 2 out of my 3 girls are sleeping. I don't know, I just wanted to make this video. I wanted to put makeup on, even though I still... guys, my hands are still swollen. I can't even wear my wedding rings anymore because my hands are swollen from the Pitocin. I will have a labor and delivery story video going up probably on my vlog channel, not this channel, so I'll link that down below if you're interested. The theme for this month is Next Gen Beauty. Here's the little pamphlet that comes with it and says everything that's inside. The bag is very different this month. It's just like a plastic bag. Like, I don't know, I've only been getting this for, I think this is like my 4th or 5th month, and I've always gotten, of course I don't have one near me, but they've always been like bags that you can like reuse, you know, but this is like a plastic, I don't know, I'm confused. I remember reading something about how the bag was going to be different, but I don't know, I'm a little disappointed. So the first thing is,
That's so cool, Mama.
it's cool. What, do you know what this is?
What?
It's a perfume. It smells. You won't be able to smell it right now, and I probably can't smell it either. I'm kind of confused. All right, I looked at my email because you get like an email and it says the things that you got, and it said that I got a different perfume. This is weird. I'm really confused, you guys. So anyway, this is the bonus item for the month. This is by Chloe. It's the perfume called Nomad. A deal for free-spirited, confident individuals. This fragrance bear with me, exudes a feeling of escape and openness to the world with a clean, floral, and natural scent. I can't smell it. I'm all congested. But yeah, that's kind of disappointing because it said I was going to get Flower Bomb by Victor and Rolf. That's so weird. Let me, hold on. I gotta double check. What the heck? I didn't get it. Anyway, moving on. I really don't like this bag. I really don't like this bag. I don't like it. The Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer from Too Faced. This is upside down. A replenishing primer that hydrates skin and creates a perfect canvas for makeup. I've used their just like professional primer and I like it. Yeah, I'm excited to try this guy out. Just the little sample size that you can't see because my lighting's super bright. There we go. That one was in the email. This was not in the email. Guys, I'm really confused. Now this is the Bosica Succulent Solution Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. A lightweight moisturizer formulated with Queen of the Night Cactus for soft, supple skin. This email said I was getting something from Sunday Riley. I'm so confused. That right there. 3 more things. 2 of them were in the email and this guy was not. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Easy to apply weightless skin tint with a sheer to medium finish and SPF coverage. What did it say I was getting in the email? A mascara. I think I would have rather gotten a mascara. The Sephora, where'd it go? Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. I was supposed to get that. Yeah, like I said, these other 2 things were in the email. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Heat of the Moment Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. A powerful heat mask that uses Hungarian thermal water to nurture skin. A heat mask. This guy looks like. Last thing in the bag is a product from Nude Sticks. This is the Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the color Kiss. A dual-purpose matte color pencil in a rosy hue that works for lips and cheeks. Again, this was in the email too. So let's check out this color. There it is. It's a color I will definitely use. Ooh, my nails are so horrible. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the Makeup Forever skin tint. I didn't even take it out, but this is what it looks like. My final thoughts on this bag. I'm confused as to why I got an email saying that I would get different products. I definitely would have rather gotten the mascara as opposed to this Makeup Forever skin tint. And then the perfume, I really did want to get the Flower Bomb perfume or the Flower Bomb Nectar perfume instead of this. I, again, can't smell anything, so this might smell good. I can't smell anything. I guess I'll try this Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. I don't know, like it said I can't smell, but it looks hydrating, so yeah, I guess I'll try this. And then the primer I will definitely try. This is definitely a color that I will use. And then this guy is intriguing, a heat mask. Excited to try that. Oh, and the bag this month, like I don't know, this is literally like a bag that I would just throw away. I wouldn't reuse, whereas the other bags were like cloth bags and I could reuse them. So I don't know what's going on this month. So yeah, I mean, not a horrible bag at all. I'm just confused as to why it said I was getting different things in my email. So I might email them and just be like, what's going on? Just to see what they say. Yeah, maybe. I'll let you guys know in the description box. But that's it for this video. If you guys are interested in Sephora Play, I will have a link down below where you can sign up. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.